Oh, my mom.
Look at what I have received. A colleague sister from third floor treated me with a cup of milk tea today. Also transferred me 200 yuan. I'm a little bit embarrassed. I even don't know her very well. Oh, here's the thing. Ancient Egyptian culture and lighting. Let me do the most typical pyramid-shaped lamp.
Not a big problem.
Pyramid modeling is not difficult. Let's add some ancient Egyptian culture elements to the surface of lamps. Okay, modeling down. Slicing, printing. Undoubtedly, it belongs to full Great Asian civilization. I can feel the charm just by looking at the printing. It's done. Assemble it and see the effect. Sure enough, never let me down. Look at the texture. It's beautiful. Look at the materials that engineer Lee prepared for me. Control unit. Lights strip. Let's install the lights. Circle and circle. The lights are ready. Find a colleague to weld. Let's turn on the light and have a look. There are 3 levels of dimming. It is practical and beautiful. Well, I shouldn't boast anymore. Send your sister to have a look. This would be a big surprise for her boyfriend. Dear friends, what is the ancient Egyptian culture in your memory? Write your voice in the comments area. When this video has 100 comments and likes, I will draw a lucky friend to give away free Egyptian lamp.
记得点赞关注哦。